Okay, hello people. Simon is speaking. Today, I wanted to show you how to render subdivision smooth proxy mesh, smooth mesh preview when you use V-Ray render. I like this feature because you can also use the crease tool when you go to mesh, proxy smooth. In the Autodesk Maya had subdivision surface. I don't use this application on a regular basis because I prefer Blender, but I still like using sometimes. Today I will show you how you can render Move Mesh Preview. Because normally in Arnold, when you have Arnold, you can only select this option, and in Arnold this will come up in render. In V-Ray, you have to do something else. When you go to V-Ray settings, there is an option called overrides, and you select subdivision. We also have settings. I have to check because there was extra setting for subdivision. I think this is to do with render division level. Now you can render. But I have to double check because there was additional setting to be able to render. I tried to find because I saw extra render settings to select the CUDA or RTX or CUDA. But this is not what I wanted to talk about. Oh, we got the in GI option. No, this is nothing. This is nothing to do with this. I have to check something because I wanted to show you something else. I tried to find this. Oh yes, I found it. Default displacement and subdivision. View dependent. You can use value 1, but you have to select in overrides option you select subdivision. In settings you change value. Because I completely have forgotten about it. What about if I switch to value 2? Now we have value 2. You can see how is subdivided this polygon. I will zoom in a little bit so you can see also that tool what I used to create finger nails. I'm thinking if I should add extra geometry to it because I use the tool called decrease. I think I will move the fingers a little bit for you to show. I wish I could have done with polygons because in Blender you can use the tool crease not only for edges but also for polygon faces. Now it should be visible. Let's check if I change subdivision to 3. Because we got default displacement and subdivision in settings, and in overrides you have to select this. Probably is nothing. This option does nothing, but you still have to see in viewport. You can still see in viewport instead. I think I will have to assign material to it so you can quickly see finger nails. I don't use in this application very often, but I still like that application. It seems to be okay. Okay, what I was thinking. presets. I wish they had proper material for skin. I don't see materials for skin. That is not what I wanted, but I still have to check something. Glass, no, not at all. What is this, if I check? This is quite interesting. Give me a few seconds. Chocolate. We also have chocolate. This is not what I wanted because this is showing me transparency, but I will have to change it settings. Give me a few seconds. Diffuse the color so I can quickly show to you. And when something transparency, no. Okay, I think I should be able to do that because this shouldn't be transferred. I cannot really find this option. Oh, Array MTL. Okay, I don't really have time to do that because I'm rushing a little bit. Oh, I will check around there. So I can see. Oh, actually, this is not completely transparent. But you can see what this tool does. And also I have to check some other settings. Self-illumination GI. This is quite interesting, but I will leave settings. Reflection color. I also want to change this. Okay, after this I can quickly check. Oh, this actually gave me quite interesting results. It doesn't really look transparent, but you can see how beautiful subdivision surface looks. And also I have to add light. You also delete history. Sorry for taking your time because this video tutorial should only be quick. Not should be very quick. But after I showed you, don't forget about option default displacement and subdivision. You select this and overrides you select viewport subdivision. I think if you have a graphics card, that's fine if you got the GTX 1070. At the moment I don't have budget to buy stronger graphics card, but I got what I got and I'm still happy. Let's render this. Actually, this is not completely transparent. I don't know why Maya was showing me that setting, which is to do with transparency. I have to zoom in a little bit. Maybe to be able to work, I don't know. In render, this doesn't show up like transparent. Okay, after finishing, I hope you like my video tutorial and maybe I will talk about render elements, because a new version of uh, V-Ray has denoiser, but I don't want to talk about this. Because it works different than in my. They also implemented Tinkle Open Image. Then okay, I have to finish and I will save my project. I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice day, guys.